start to finish, from the braid pattern all the way to what you see right now. It's gonna look super individualized, y'all. It's gonna look like we spent some time in somebody's chair with their baby running around talking about, what's your name? Hey cousins, hey, it's your girl Mary Kay coming to you with a slate today. I'm coming to you with a slate today.
Let the church say subscribe.
What's going on, y'all? What's going on? Listen, I really just jumped on to say what's up. I done already recorded this whole thing from start to finish, from the braid pattern all the way to what you see right now. I'm getting ready to go and do what I have to do for the rest of the day, but I wanted to jump on and say hey. I just wanted to check on y'all. How your mom and them doing? Y'all been out here. You good? Now y'all been doing right? Y'all been doing the correct things in life now? Or at least trying. You know, sometimes all we can do is try. Because as the good sister Aaliyah once prophesied, if at first you don't succeed, brush yourself off and try again. And I'm gonna take it a step further. If at second you don't succeed, brush yourself off and try again. You must try and try again.
Till you ignorant behind get it right, okay?
I'm just joking, y'all. This is a very easy, a very cute, quick style that I'm doing. When we go out for like the weekend and stuff like that, sometimes I don't want to deal with wigs, so I just put my hair up in a crochet style. That way I can put it up, I can wear it down, depending on your braid pattern now. Depending on your installation. Hold on. Depending on that installation, that is going to let you know what you're able to do with the style. See, you can't withdraw from an account that you ain't made no deposits in, See, some of y'all going to the bank teller right now, you ain't been in there in 17 months and talking about I want this and that, and she looking at you like, oh, well, that's nice. How your mama doing? So what I did was, I did my illusion braid pattern in here, where it's, you know, from probably here on back, there are illusion boxes into regular cornrows. If you cannot cornrow, you just do your illusion boxes all the way down. And the same way that you'll see me tuck my ends, because I got a little length now, y'all. I got a little length now, so I can't just, when I put I can't just let my ends hang like I used to could. Well, I gotta crochet them up into my cornrows now.
Everybody can't do that.
Really, it's just because I'm wearing it up. If I was wearing it down, I could show enough just put the ends in a little ponytail and keep it moving, okay? I ain't gonna lie. Tell the truth, shame to death. Because I'm probably gonna be wearing it up, because where we going is hot. And I think this is about 26 or 24 inches. I think it's 24 inches. And I know I'm gonna want it up sometimes. I know it's gonna be times where I want it up and out my face. So I just did my ends like that because I needed to do it like that this time. But I'm gonna get you to the demo. These are individuals, and because of the size of these particular goddess locks, y'all, this is so quick. It's so quick and it's so easy because your boxes are not small. Your boxes are large boxes, medium to large boxes, okay? I need y'all to know that. I need y'all to know that. And that's one of the reasons why I chose this particular hair, because of the size of the actual faux lock. I know it's a shadow on my face. It's just because I didn't do any lighting for today's video, because I really only came on here to say what's up and tell y'all what this is and get y'all to the demo, okay? That's really all I came to do. Y'all, this lighting is so terrible. I was just so shocked at this video. Y'all I'm sorry. I'm going to show you this down too. I'm going to get some pictures with it up like this, because I have it the way that I want to have it. So I'm going to get some pictures with it up. Then I'm going to take it down. It's going to look super individualized, y'all. It's going to look like we spent some time in somebody's chair with their baby running around talking about what's your name. That's what it's going to look like, okay? And none of those things happen. And they never will. I'm telling you, that's what it's going to look like, okay? That's the whole purpose of the illusion, baby, the illusion, all right? I guess I could tell you the vendor while I'm on here. Let me just do that real quick, and then everything else you gonna see, you feel me? Do you feel me like you say you do? Then just share me just how much you do. These are Crochet Faux Locs 24 inches. One pack has 6 bundles, so it's a 6-pack. Soft locks, curly ends, and the color I have is OT 430. But they also have a 16-inch option as well in this color, and they have other colors, you guys, so don't fret. It is pre-looped. So yeah, I'm gonna get y'all to the demo, y'all, but this is, I use the same method with the individuals that I've been using here for the last few times. Separate the hair into 2/3 and 1/3, and then you hook the crochet hair onto the 2/3 section, because you're going to split that, and then you're just going to plait those 3 sections. You have your crochet hook that is attached to your plait and your plait, and then you do the pull through method to pull your plait inside of the lock, and it's hidden out the way. Bam, you're done. That's it. That's all. And if that made absolutely no sense, I totally understand. I'm about to show you. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can join the family and join the fun. My new subscribers, what's up? My new cousins, what is going on? My day ones, hey, you know I got nothing but love for y'all. Let me get y'all on to the demo.